Hi everyone. In this video, we will see how two containers running on different networks can communicate with each other. In our previous video, we have seen uh, that the two containers can communicate when they are in the same network. But in this video, we will create a new network which will be a bridging network between the two containers running on the different networks. So let's directly start with the hands-on. Let's first run Mongo database container. So this is the same command. The only thing that I have changed is this network. So I am running this about to run this container in network 1 with the name Mongo database bridge 1 with image Mongo. So let's run this. Okay, so now Mongo database container is running. Let's work with Mongo Express database now. So over here we can see that this is also the same command. The only difference we are seeing is the network. Now the Mongo database is running in network 1, whereas Mongo Express is about to run in network 2. And this server name should be same as the name of the container for Mongo database, which is ending with bridge 1 and bridge 1. And the name of the express is Mongo Express bridge 1 with the image Mongo Express. I missed to tell you about this option restart one in my previous videos. So let's cover this over here. So basically this option will keep your Express container running even in case if it's not able to connect to the database. So this is a useful option because if it's not able to connect to the database, it automatically stops the container. Okay, so let's run this now. Okay, so let's check our containers. We have the containers up and running. Now we can, but these two containers are running on different networks, right? So let's check if they are able to connect each other right now or not. Okay, so I will copy this public IP and running on port 8081. Let's see. Okay, so we can see that site can't be reached. So basically the containers are not able to connect. So now what we can do, what we can do is we can connect a bridging network to both the networks. So let's work on that now. So I have already created a bridging network. Let me show you that. Docker network, or let me create a new bridging network. So the new bridging network we can create with the help of Docker network create driver. I'm mentioning the bridge and I will put the name as bridge network 1. So once we have the bridge network, we need to connect both the containers to this network. So for that, we have the command docker network connect and the name. So the name of this is, let me just zoom out. It's Mongo Express Bridge 1. So let's connect this first. Okay, so the Docker Network Connect Mongo Express Bridge 1. Okay, it requires 2 arguments. Let me check what's the error. Okay, so yeah, it should be Docker Network Connect and BRID and the name of the bridging network, which was Bridge Network 1. So let me copy paste from here this and let's run this now. Okay, this is good. Another one was for Mongo database container. So let's connect that to. Um, it's not coming up. So let me put in this way. Mongo database bridge 1. Let's connect this as well. Okay, so yes. So what we have done is we have created a bridge network 1 and we have connected this network to both the containers as a bridging network so that they can communicate. Now let's again bring our browser up and let's see if we are able to access it or not. Okay, so let's copy the IP address again. It's running on port 8081. Oh, my bad. So see, so now again we are able to access Mongo Express, which is connected to the database, and we can create the database over here. So yeah, so one more thing, we can check all these entries from the logs as well. For example, Docker logs and the name of the Express, the UI application. Oh, sorry, UI container. So which is this? So we can see we have all the get and post requests over here, and we are able to see the logs as well. So for example, we go back to the UI, we delete this, it's in database 2, and we can see we are able to perform actions on the database from UI now. And if there are any errors, you will be able to see that in the logs as well. And there's one more thing, as I said, will be able to see the entries in the log. So we have deleted a database. So over here we have the entry that we have deleted a database too. Okay, thanks everyone. That's all for this video. I will see you in next video now.